We're back, another Sunday in the shed. Bit of a bitsy day today. And what are you doing?
I put this on, and then I've also gone over to TC Boxes the other week and I managed to score this roof rack that I shall be putting on top of the tray.
But what's the problem with just putting it on?
Where I originally put the headboard, I thought I'd be sweet because it just misses the top of the canopy.
Yeah.
But then I put on the tyre and it's too low. And it's an absolute bastard to try and move up. So I shortened this to match it, and then I'm going to get one of these as a spacer on top like that.
Right.
That's the plan.
That's the plan.
Yeah.
Alright, so we'll get that done first and finished. And then we're talking radius arms for the 79 to fix the caster correction, so that'll be next.
$13.50.
And what length is this gonna be?
$13.65.
That was pretty close then.
About 15 mil off.
Yeah. So what are you gonna make it? That or are you gonna make it 15 mil shorter?
Probably make 15 mil shorter.
Oh, yeah, that's a good idea. What happened? They're your favourite shorts too?
Sparks up the blind, mate.
So Andy's decided he's going to paint these black to match the roof rack. He can start doing that. In the meantime, I finally got myself a new kick-ass shower tent, which, because we had used the other one on the camper trailer, so it's what I have to put up with all the time. This sort of nonsense. So what's the next part of the plan, Ando?
Right, so we've gotten, just sprayed them up so they make the black look a little bit better. So now what to go is I picked up some of this rubber stripping here. That's pretty much just to stop vibration because you don't really want metal on metal pretty much. So just picked up a couple of these, pretty thick, but I'll probably do it double sided, so one that's on the rack and then one that's above it as well, just for a bit of extra protection because it can squish down quite a lot anyway. So gonna do that and then drill some holes, bolt it, and that should be it.
So you're going to put 4 bolts and a bit of rubber in, is what you're saying?
But I do have, shit, have you seen the time?
No. What time is it? It is that time, I suppose, on a Sunday. Well done. Cheers.
Alright, now let's get into it. Boom.
Nice, Ando.
That should work.
Armax Old Man. Have a look at it. You happy with it, Andy?
Yeah, have a look at it. Yeah, no, it came out pretty well actually. Bit of measuring involved, but no, it should be good. Give me a dead boy extra place to put longer things, I guess.
And just open your canopy door, have a go.
Oh
At
yeah.
the tolerance here. Look at that. Just made for it.
Yeah. Nailed it.
Nailed it.
Meant to do it as well, measure it all like that. Don't worry.
So that's that. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.